seriously, man, what are we doing out here?
We're hunting
For?
for dust devil. You know, a tornado.
So
We can prove that this car has the speed and the agility to catch a dust devil, drive around it, and keep it alive.
Dude, you come up with some strange things.
It'll be fun. Hey guys, can you see anything?
Lookout number 1, that's a negative.
This is gonna take a while.
Serious? This is Joel Lambert from Discovery Channel. Adil is our local meteorologist. He's been working on this project with us.
Show us what you got.
Dust devils are formed in hot arid climates. The sun hits the ground hits the air above it, and the intense heat forms areas of low pressure. Then, when the wind starts to blow, it swirls around and carries dust into the air.
So if we catch one, drive around it, we think we can increase its velocity by pushing more dust into the air and make it bigger.
The problem is that dust devils form and dissipate very quickly, so catching them is almost impossible.
That's what I was worried about.
Dude, the Chevy Equinox is equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine. It contains HPDI and DVTT technology. The lightweight body design allows the torque ratio of the car to reach 206 Newton meters per ton. It has a 9-speed automatic transmission and more accurate gear distribution to shift smoothly.
Yeah, that's great. What does all that mean in normal language?
It means the car can go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 7.8 seconds.
Yeah, that's still not going to give us very much of a window.
Hey guys, we got high of 50 degrees now. It's a great day to catch those dust devils, so stay alert.
You hear that? Stay alert, Joel.
It's talking to you, Dave. You stay alert.
Joel, you stay alert.
2 dust devils in the southeast quadrant. Go, go, go.
Let's go. Faster, come on, Dave. Hey, head for the other one, over there. Dude, don't slow down, let's go.
Stop yelling at me! You sound like my mom.
Dude, you're never gonna make it, come on. Oh, man, seriously? It was right there. We had it right there.
I just didn't want to wreck the car.
Oh. Dude, if you want to catch a dust devil, you're going to have to push this car to its limit.
What do you have in mind? Oh, not again. Oh.
Do you trust me?
Absolutely not.
Too late now.
Dust devils forming east of your location.
Yeah, go ahead, come on. Faster. Yeah, man, yeah. You got it, you.
Watch and learn, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Come on. Faster. Faster.
Yeah, buddy.
It's working.
Yeah,
It's working.
it's actually working.
It's working. Yeah.
I told you. Yeah, it actually worked. All right. That was awesome.
So what's next?
Yeah. Let's do it again.
There.
们成功之后，那肯定是不可思议啊，因为这个就是当时就像我之前说的，是不可能的，但是你们成功的完完全全做到它了。
Those little devils are a lot harder to catch than you might think.
I don't think we were all completely sure that it was possible up until the last moment, but we will make it.
也想过这个问题是不可能的，但是我们也是一直在努力。
雪佛兰，梦创未来。